Make a great choice today with the 2021 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.